Every form begins in stillness. Every kick starts before the leg lifts. You don't need 10 techniques. You only need one done with care. In this scroll, we'll return to the roots. We'll warm the body, sharpen the breath, and walk the path of simplicity. Because discipline lives in the details. Let's get started.
Step forward so you can see me. Roundhouse. Keep the legs straight. Again, keep the muscles warm to let them warm. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Last round. 1, 2, 3. Look. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Look. Kick. Couple words of advice. We're not tricking, so don't flail your arms out. Keep your arm in close to the center. Drop your elbows down. Keep your center right in the center. You can use your arms for momentum, but eventually you need to bring your elbows in and just do the kicks from here. If you're not good at the kicking, you don't have good balance, you're gonna just throw your balance off, and it's gonna be a lot harder for your body, a lot more energy. Right? Keep your hands in close, right? Elbows down. So we'll do one more round. I'll do it slow. So switch 1, 2. I'm looking. I'm stepping past the standing leg. 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's just do one more for the roll. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And recycle. Square off. Let's do some slow kicks. First round, do front, side, and back. Okay? Again. Take your time. Make sure you have a good, solid crane stance. Look over the shoulder. Crane stance. Turn the hip. Turn the hip. Now we'll take the hip down. Kick with the heel. Look over your shoulder. Make sure you can see your heel. Your heel will be lined up with the standing leg. Come back. Control. Crane stance again. And step down. And reposition your feet. Now we have the other side. Front kick. Turn the hip first. Once your knees line up, start to rotate the hip down this way, looking over your shoulder, and then extend the foot for back kick and come back. We'll take the hip back up and you're back here. Let's do a second round. Now, here's a challenge for you. On the second round, you're gonna kick twice in each direction and try to hold your balance. I would say for beginners, kick low first, hold it, come back, and then extend again for the second one, come back, and then do everything at a deliberate speed. Maintain full control, full extension, full control. Okay, if you want, you can add the wing chun kick by turning the foot out and kicking with the hip. So again, you can kick low first, make sure you got control, full. Your balance is where it needs to be. Your center of gravity is over your standing leg. You come back. Position the hip a little higher. And kick higher. Then try to line the heels up. Hold it. Come back. But it'll pay off in the long run because you'll have much more control over your kicks. And I found that what allows me the strength to throw two kicks from the same position without having to put my foot back on the ground. Pause if you need to. You find that you're starting to lose balance, just pause, hold it, and then just retract and try it again. And then next time you come back, you'll be able to do a full extension on both kicks. Now we're gonna turn around and go the other way. Left side first, front kick. Turn the hip first, then rotate the hip down, look over your shoulder, and then extend the kick slow. Come back, rotate the hip, come back to your crane stance here, look over your shoulders, and do the second one. The back kick is always more challenging, so don't feel bad if you have to kick a little bit lower. And come back. Step down, square off, and come back. Now, fast kicks. Same thing you did in the slow, controlled kicks, but a little bit faster, a little bit more snappier. You can double the speed each time. Ready? Kick. Check it out. We're gonna do everybody's favorite sweeps, triple sweeps. Yeah, I know, it's hard, but you gotta do it. First round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more round. Squat down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? One more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you see why it's important to have good hip mobility. And square off and come back here. I've just opened up memberships here on the channel. And if you're here, that means you already know this isn't just about content. It's about culture and community. Now, as a member, you'll get access to the deeper work. You'll get my behind-the-scenes training, some of my secret conditioning rituals that I've developed over the years, some access to early scrolls, some private teachings that I won't post publicly. But more than that, we're building something together. A community rooted in Kungfu, wisdom, and wellness, where we train, we reflect, we grow as a circle, and not just as an audience. But for right now, It starts with just a simple click. We have 3 levels. So, if you're ready, click that button and join below. There's several levels, and I'll meet you on the temple inside.